Hello. So this is the tutorial about the Social Media Planner Tracker. Before we start, please check the link below to go to my Etsy store and check my other templates that you might find it useful, or get this one for yourself, the light mode and dark mode, available link below. Starting off, when you make the purchase, you'll get the pre-filled version and the clean slate version. Right now, I am using the pre-filled to demonstrate easily. So this is the README tab right here. As you can see, this is the user manual page. You can scroll down and follow these yourself, but in this video, I'm going to guide you one by one through the process. On the Archive tab, the Quick Search function, the Generate Password feature, and the entry details. For the Quick Search, you can copy the username and paste it in this area. To do that, double-click on this cell and paste. As you can see, the password, the website, and the note is shown. You can put the info on the entry accordingly. The drop-down for the website is adjusted on the next tab. Say that you want to add something that is not listed. You can. I'll get to it in a moment. Now, say that you want to make a quick password. Then you can use this password feature. You can click and choose from the drop-down to refresh the code. The next tab is the Social Media Archive tab. In this tab, you start with choosing the email from the drop-down. As you can see, the category will automatically fill as you have done it previously. Now remember of the website drop-down earlier? This is the part to add change them. Just type the name on one of these header and it will show in the drop-down on the previous tab. Now let's say fill it with some emails we have previously filled, and say that we have these accounts as written in the headers. As you can see on this side on Q column, we'll show a number which represents how many websites are the emails associated to. Next on the checklist tab, this is the checklist of your day-to-day plan for each account. To get started, let's choose the month that we are going to track by clicking the drop down. Then just choose your usernames that you wish to be in the system. If you want to add more than what's available, just choose somewhere in the middle row and right-click and click Insert one row below to add more space. When you have your accounts chosen, you can now fill the target of days of each accounts for the month. This will automatically process the amount of days done and the days targeted and whether you have achieved your goals. As you can see, there are progress bar on each accounts, the percentage, and the overall progress to see how far you have come. As well as the charts as the visual representation of the progress, there is this pie chart as well for the top 3 performance. You can hover your mouse to see which account performs the best. When you have done in the days and the accounts you tracked, you can click the checkbox to mark it as done for the day. Below is the weekly task checklist progression, but this is just a display of the data you're going to input later. You can check them back here as an overall progress. This is the achievement journal page. Let's start on the table on the right. You can see the accounts is already there, chosen by the tab before this one. Now, this page is supposed to be the place for you to track down how many followers, likes, views, etc. for the account's activity. You can choose the category on the dropdown, fill the current value, the target value, and monthly target. So let's say that with this account of Alex Morgan, I want to track the follower. Currently it has 500 followers and the target is 5,000 followers. And I'm hoping each month I can get 1,000, and the columns next to it will calculate everything. And it shows, as you can see, the months left, the estimated date of it will reach the target by that rate, and the progress bar. On the left side is supposed to track of incoming gaining value of the tracked accounts. Now, using this example, see that Alex Morgan gained 5 value. As per the date, you can double-click on the date cell to record when did you check it the last time. Now let's check on the incoming, and there it shows 5. And this is completely automated. Let's say that there's a new update on this account of 100 more followers. So now we entry by choosing the account, and then the date, and then the number of value it gained. Now let's check back on the incoming number. It shows 100 plus previously 5, so it counts in total, and that number also contributes to the rest of the data, so the months left will be updated automatically. Estimate date is updated on and on. This is overall the purpose of this tab. Next, we are on the weekly tracking system. You can see there is a box for the checklist. You can write it here for week 1 or even change its header to match. Let's say you want it to be preparation week or resting week, you can do that. And as the week progresses, when it's done, you can click the checkbox here to show that it's done. Now, below it is the leaderboard of the achievements of each accounts from the previous tab. This shows which account progressed the best so far in 5 rankings. As you can see, the account Ryan Carter 66 have the most value based on the achievement entry. On the right side, you can see some charts that shows the checklist progress from the page before, the target done also from the checklist page, the incoming numbers from the achievement page before, as well as the accounts. And by the way, you can change the color of the chart. Just double click and it will pop up and you can choose the color that better suits you. Now below is the daily notes for you to put your agenda throughout the week according to date day. Say that for this account on this date, you are going to make a project starting on this date, have a meeting, etc. You can write it down here. Same things goes the same for the week 1 to week 5 tabs. Now, let me explain about lastly but not least the anchor tab. This is where the quotes shows on the checklist tab right over here, so you can adjust that by adding in the quote of your choice if you have any, or maybe a reminder. You can edit it here. And the right side is the category dropdown for the achievement journal. There was the dropdown, you can edit them here. That was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please check my other product on my Etsy page and social media links below. These templates I made myself and I also use it, so I'm glad to share it with you. Thank you so much. See you on my other tutorial video.